How does Mr. Jones violate human rights?
Mr. Jones violates human rights by withholding food from the animals and taking away their ability to make their own decisions about the stuff they produce. First off, Mr. Jones doesn't feed his animals as they should be fed, so they're very malnourished. And Mr. Jones also takes away the stuff they produce. So for the chickens, he takes away their eggs, and for the cows, he takes away their milk. And Mr. Jones also beats animals if they don't produce food or he's just pissed off and drunk.
How does this all correlate with the Soviet Union?
Well, Mr. Jones mistreats the animals, and the animals eventually run him out of the farm. Now, Czar Nicholas II was run out of Russia because he totally abused his subject people.
How does this all correlate with Soviet Russia?
Well, Mr. Jones mistreats his animals, and he causes them to run him out of the farm. Now, Czar Nicholas II, who is the last Tsar of Russia, angered his people who were subject to him, and they eventually ran him out of his own country. So, Mr. Jones abused his people, much like Czar Nicholas II abused his people. And they, both the animals and the people, revolted against their oppressor and ran them out to form their own government.